y'all, this is Chip from Cultivate Hydroponics, cultivatecolorado.com, and I'm here to talk about your 5 grow room upgrades today. You know, you might have built a grow room several years ago, and at the time, you used all the top grade equipment. You used air-cooled lights, you used portable dehumidifiers, you had plug-in-the-wall timers and controllers, and you were growing on the ground. Well, years have passed, and after many years of success, it's time for you to upgrade, and this video is about the top 5 grow room upgrades. The number 1 upgrade that you can give yourself in your grow room is a new light. Now, it doesn't matter if it's a brand new double-ended light like from Gavita or a LED from PhotoBio. It's important to buy one of the top lights that you can. There's many cheap lights out there, but if you go to Cultivate Colorado, give us a call and we can talk you through all your options. The main thing you're gonna really wanna do is get one that fits your grow room area and that has a really good warranty and that comes from really good review. Number 2 is a new dehumidifier. Now, Quest and Andon have really dominated the dehumidifier market in the hydroponics industry for a number of years. Most of the old dehumidifiers were just a few quarts. You rolled them in and out of your grow room, but the new dehumidifiers, you usually mount them on the ceiling or you can put them on the ground. But they're way more effective. You're gonna be able to control your humidity in your room far better, and maybe you're gonna be able to accomplish running VPD far better by using a Quest or an Andon. Now, your number 3 upgrade is a controller. We like TrollMaster. TrollMaster's great products. You're able to use them in almost any room. You're able to control your humidity, your temperature, your lights, and it'll really graph everything out well for you so you can absolutely control it. And if you buy the Pro model, you can do it on your phone. Number 4. Now, irrigation is probably the easiest upgrade anybody can make in their room. Drip irrigation seems complex, but it's not. It's really easy. All you have to do is just do a little bit of math. Size your volume, your solenoids, and your drippers all properly with the number of plants. It's really simple. And you can just talk to one of our guys here at Cultivate Colorado or Cultivate OKC, and we can set you up with the right irrigation parts you need. Don't forget to upgrade your irrigation filter. That is the number 1 problem people have when they set up a new irrigation system. Now, number 5, and maybe this should be number 1, but rolling trays or rolling benches. Rolling benches often increase your canopy by 20% in most rooms, because rolling benches, you get rid of the aisles. So if you have a conventional room from 10 years ago or 5 years ago, you more than likely had 2-foot aisles between all of your plants and all of your light. By installing rolling benches, you get to get rid of those aisles. You get to grow in all of the surface space of your floor. You get to light your whole canopy completely, and you're not lighting the floor. Now, this is gonna give you significantly more weight in your garden, and it's gonna be easier for you to get around and work in it. Thanks for joining me on these top 5 grow room upgrades. If you like this video or others, please subscribe or give us a call at the shop at either Cultivate OKC or Cultivate Colorado, and we'd be glad to explain any of this further. Thanks.